friends and educators, it's Carrie from Thriving with Thurmanator, and this little video is for my math teacher friends, but it really could be used by anybody in the classroom with their digital interactive notebooks. I wanted to show you how you could make like a self-check box. So let's say you didn't want to give like the answer right away, or you didn't want to have the answer on a page, but you wanted students to be able to check their work. So let's say you have a math problem or something on the slide, and you want students to be able to check their work. You would use something called a semi-transparent magnifying glass, and I totally have these to share, or I can make you one that you like. And you need a shape, and you are going to need some text. So let me insert a text box here. So you are going to want your text to be the same color as this box that you have here. I'm just gonna write in something silly like my answer is here. And I am going to change well, let me make it a little bigger so you can kind of see it, I guess. And I'm going to change the color of that text the same color as this box here. And then I'm going to put this over the box. All right. Now I want to move that shape to the front. Okay, so I'm going to bring to the front, and now I have my little magnifying glass over here. So if I told students, do your work over here, and then you can check your answer, the answer is in the box, they can move that magnifying glass over the text, and now they can see the answer. So just a little secret thing, just a little fun, little interactive thing that I wanted to share. Thanks for watching this video on how to reveal secret text in your digital interactive notebook. If you need any help setting this up in your digital notebook, shoot me an email at thrivingwiththurmanator@gmail.com. Until next time, bye y'all!